In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what not to do when inviting somebody to connect with you on LinkedIn, something you should never do. Let's get right into it. When you are trying to connect with somebody, this here is exactly what you don't want to do. You never ever want to send a message in the connection. Most systems, including mine, my strategy and my system, you send them a message the following week anyway. So there's no reason in the first place to send them a message in the connection. But here's the real reason why not to do it. You see, she sends me something that says, "So you're my recommendation. I figured I should send a request your way." Just sounds like baloney. There's nothing behind it, so on and so forth. Other people say, "Hi, Hugh. I'm a website developer. I do X, X, and X." So the issue is that whatever you say here gives people a chance to delete you and never to look at your profile, to give them a reason that doesn't work for them and to just delete you, and you never connect with them. If you had nothing there, what normally will happen is they will click on your name, and they will go and look at just this up here. So in her case, Larkin Beauty, extrovert, I hit what they need on LinkedIn. Yeah, kind of, now at least I have a chance to figure out whether I want to connect with her or not. But if she had a strong profile, and I'm not picking on her purposely, but if she had a strong profile like mine, when somebody gets to mine and they see that I have a picture that stands off the page, decent profile, but then I set status here, owner of LinkedIn strategy ebooks, 100 million residential real estate sold. This is where they will go, and they will spend maybe 7 seconds and say, okay, I'm going to connect with that person. He or she is worth it. And so that's it. In a nutshell, never ever send anybody a message when you invite to connect. Just invite them to connect and let them go look at your profile and make a choice.